Watch this video and learn how to draw a mosquito. Later on, we're going to have fun watching Artie have a dance break. And keep watching to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, it's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
What? You're not in the mood?
No.
Artie, are you joking?
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Oh, thank goodness.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Great, then let's make some art.
Okay, we're gonna make art, so it's time to start.
You made a rhyme.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing the right eye of our mosquito. We're going to draw a circle in the middle of the page towards the top. Now draw a smaller circle inside the first one and shade it in black. Great start, Artie. Now let's draw the left eye. Draw another circle coming out beside the first one and make the second one a little bit smaller. Very good. Now let's add some eyebrows just above the eyes. Hey Artie, these eyes look a little bit like your eyes.
No. No.
Well, I think they do. Let's add a nice smiling mouth and then draw a curve underneath, a line across to show some teeth, and then shade in black everything underneath that line. That's it, Artie. Really good start.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. That was very helpful. Now, Artie, let's draw our mosquito's face. A curved line from underneath the left eye, going under the chin, and then curving right back up underneath the right eye. Really good. Now let's start one of the wings. Oh, Artie, here comes Barry Tone.
Hey, Artie. Oh, wow, nice drawing. It needs a little song. It needs some song and a voice and... Okay, I'll go.
Thanks, Barry. We'll see you later. Okay, Artie, let's finish that first wing. Oh, yes, that looks good already. Now a right wing. Try and make it about the same size and shape as the first one. That's it. Very good.
Oh, it's time for a dance break.
You want a dance break already?
Yeah.
But what about the drawing we're doing?
Yeah, we come back to drawing later.
Okay.
Dance break?
Yes.
Yay! Dance break! Dance break! Yeah!
This is making me want to dance.
Me too!
It's a 10 from me, thank you.
Yeah! Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
Oh, it looked exhausting.
Yeah, Artie tired. Ooh. Phew.
Should we carry on with the drawing now?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Let's draw another wing on the left side, just underneath the first one that we drew. Really nice shapes, Artie. And another one on the right side. Mr. Mosquito's looking very happy. Keep watching, because coming up, Artie's in a cartoon. Let's give our Mosquito a body. We're going to draw lots of little half circles coming all the way down on the left side. And then do the same, but on the right side. That's it. Come all the way down. And when we get to the bottom, let's join up. There we go. Now he has a body. Let's draw some straight lines across. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington.
Hi, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, wow. Your drawing is as sweet as carrot cake.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Bunny hugs.
Bunny hugs.
Oh, Artie, Bunny gave you bunny hugs.
Oh.
She did. Oh, I see you've started drawing the legs, Artie. Good job. That's right, just a straight line with a little dark oval shape at the end. This drawing's looking awesome.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Yes, we can have a cartoon break.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a circle.
Artie loves circles. The sign is a circle. Circle fountain. A circle-shaped pond. Wheels are circles. The sun is a circle. Cartoon break. That was a really good one.
Yes, it was.
Yeah,
Let's finish the drawing.
yeah, okay, yeah. Cartoon break.
Okay, Artie, okay. Come on, back to the drawing. Let's give him some bottom feet. One on the left and one on the right. Oh, this is awesome, Artie. He looks really funny.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
Artie, get the thinner pen. Yes, that one. Now let's draw some little lines inside the wings. Wobbly lines, a little bit like veins.
Veins.
Yes, little veins inside the wings. We see a lot of veins in nature, Artie. Sometimes, if you pick up a leaf off the floor that's fallen off a tree, you'll see veins inside the leaf.
Really?
Yes, let's do it next time we're in the backyard and I'll show you.
I finished.
Wonderful work, Artie.
Yeah.
But now what?
It's coloring time.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I finished.
It looks really good, Artie. I bet you're happy with it.
Oh, fantastic.
Oh, I'm happy you're pleased.
Very, very pleased.
You're having a great day.
Yeah. Artie's having an Artie day.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day! Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Thank you for watching, little artist. We'll see you again soon. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye.